dinosaurs would have loved the humidity. I'm so glad they're not alive anymore. Was that you?
No, not me.
I think I'm going to take my plant outside and give it a water.
This bathroom is going to look amazing with all the greenery. And those frosted windows will in just enough filtered light to feed our plants throughout the day.
It will never be too much light for our plants.
And I can look at them all while I brush my teeth.
That's right. I mean, we spend so much time in our bathrooms. Why not make it a green sanctuary so we can actually enjoy being in the space?
Speaking of a green sanctuary, I have just the hats to help us do the job.
Shower caps, awesome!
Sunlight gets through this window in this bathroom, but every bathroom is still different. So make sure that when you pick your plants to go into your bathroom, that they suit the conditions of your space.
Even though these plants will all thrive in cooler, low-light conditions, some steam from a warm bath or shower will help them. Wow, Pia, look at what we've done.
It really looks like a garden in here. Look at that peperomia over there. It's getting just enough filtered light and it looks amazing.
And same with our ferns by the windowsill. They're loving it. Because we're in a bathroom, it's a lot cooler, so the water doesn't evaporate as fast as it would normally if we were outside. So you don't need to water them as much in here. And also, these plants love humidity, which they'll get their daily dose of when we turn on the shower.